Hey beauties, and welcome to the Rounded Shoe Gummy instructions and information video. In this video, we'll go over what types of shoes you cannot apply rounded shoe gummies to, what types of shoe bottoms are best for gummy application, what types of shoe bottoms you cannot apply gummies to, and how to apply your gummies. Let's get started. You cannot apply rounded style gummies to dancer heels, heels with a thick platform, wedges. You cannot apply rounded style gummies to a pointed shoe. You cannot apply gummies to a shoe with a terrain style bottom, deep lines, soft rubber, or very deep designs on the bottom of the shoe. Let's go over what types of bottoms shoe gummies are not to be applied to. Shoe bottoms with very deep 3D type designs. Shoes with a terrain bottom with deep designs and soft rubber. Let's go over what types of shoe bottoms are best for gummy application. Shoes with a smooth surface are best for gummy application. There are types of shoes that have superficial lines on the bottom. As long as you file these down flat, you can apply gummies to the bottom of this shoe. Let's get started with your rounded style gummy application. Here are a few things you'll need for gummy application. A pen and a blow dryer. Your box comes with a pair of gummies, your prep file. Let's open up your gummies. On your gummies, there's a R and an L letter indicator to tell you which gummy goes on which bottom of your shoe. Let's start with the right shoe first. Take your right shoe gummy, place it on the bottom of your shoe. For gummy placement, make sure your gummy stays inside the edges of the shoe. Also, place your gummy before the bottom of your shoe starts to curve up. Now you're ready to trace your gummy into place. Now take your prep file and file inside of the traced area. Next, make sure you wipe away all of the debris. Now take your right shoe gummy and heat it up for a few seconds with your blow dryer. This helps ensure for a better gummy application. Peel the corner of your shoe gummy liner. Be careful, this is very sticky, not to drop it. Now, place the gummy in the traced area on the bottom of your shoe. Press down. Now you're done with your right shoe. Repeat all those steps to apply your gummy to your left shoe. After applying gummies to both shoes, I recommend wearing the shoes after application because pressure is needed to secure attachment. Enjoy your shoes, ladies.